guys, how are you? So today we will show you how easy it is to apply Super Duper Dark Oil on this cherry slab, which we sanded it to 320 grit with this mezzanine paper that you're finding on our website. Then for prep work, we just wiped off all that sawdust with a clean rag. So now it's ready to go. So let's go. So stir very well the oil in the jar. So this again is Super Duper Oil Dark, which is an oxidizing oil, which helps to enhance the natural color of the wood and also will offer a patina in time. It's not a stain, it's just an oxidizing oil, a dark oil that will protect and waterproof after it's fully cured. So stir very well, and I'm going to use our applicator block. Put generously oil and then just apply, wipe on. Amazing. So I'm done with wiping on the oil. So now I'll wait 40 minutes to 1 hour. You can wait up to 3 hours, no problem. And then I will remove all that excess with a cotton terry towel, like this type of towels. So thank you for watching. And one more thing, guys, don't forget about our 4th of July sale. We have a special promo running. All purchases over $135, they get this kit, which includes an applicator block, 10 pack of sanding paper, the best high quality sanding paper, like mesh one, and 2 applicator pads, 1 carpenter pencil, and stickers. Let us know if you have any questions.